So let's start by going to one of our cross sections here to just up to date our roof and floor system. So I'm just going to go to my main floor and I want a section right through here. So let's do a new section. I'll just pick it off my quick access toolbar. Revit's asking me to save. Sure, I might as well. Zoom in. Now I know that it's somewhere centered, so really anywhere kind of through here should capture what I want. Escape on the keyboard, double click on my section bubble, set my detail level to be fine. Now let's have a look. Okay, first thing I'm noticing is that my walls on my second floor, if I click on them, top of second up to top of roof minus 18 inches. Okay, and I think I'm going to put a drop ceiling in this area. And I think we'll end up with a little bit of a bulkhead just on this second floor. On the main floor, I think we'll be okay. It's fairly level. Okay, and then to look at our floor system here, if we do a measurement, let's go modify and just do a basic measurement from here to here. You can see it's only 1 foot 1 3/4. It's also displayed up here. Escape. Pick on my floor system or floor object. Go into the edit type. Go into the edit structure and you can see that if I do my preview, okay, it's made of 1 3/4 inch and it hasn't been given a material, but that would be my joists and 3/4 inch subfloor. So this needs to be a full 14 inches. So I'm going to go 14 inches and then I'm going to hit OK and OK. So now what's happened is these walls are now 3/4 of an inch too tall. We're going to have to fix that, but notice it's justified by that. If these walls are attached to here, then they will automatically read the bottom of the floor system and update themselves. So let's try something here. Let's go like this, big crossing box across here. Let's filter for only walls, okay? And let's attach those to this floor. That's it. Now all those walls have adjusted themselves to the underside of there. Okay. I think we'll do a ceiling up inside of here. That's a separate little exercise. And because we changed this floor, and this is the same type, this one has updated as well, right? If I go in and do just a basic dimension from the top of there down to there, you can see it's 14 3/4, the same as there, because this and this are the same floor types. So you can see quickly I've just changed both floor systems and updated these walls. Okay, didn't move because they're justified by this level. Okay, and now my roof system here, same thing. I'm going to click on here, edit type, go into my structure. Oh, look, I did make it 14 inches and then 3/4 and then 4 inches of tapering insulation. Good. You can see where my roof drain is. Okay, if I go shaded mode, not really as good, but you can see where that roof drain would go. HL on the keyboard for back to hidden line. Okay, so I could, take this truss and pull this down and play with this depending on how I want to do that. Right now I've got this to here, so I would pull that up because it was reading that. So we can detail this. We'll show you how to do some detailing. In fact, let's do an align to here. You see I'm trying to do that? You might as well just align it. Escape. That is my favorite tool right there, align. And I could do the same thing with this. I could say align to here. This, but then I need to redo this one. Okay. However that gets finished. Okay, so there's my truss going up. I can do that ceiling and I can then attach these walls to the ceiling. Escape. So there's my adjusted floor system. And of course, that floor system is everywhere. It doesn't matter, if I look in a 3D view or if I go to another section over here, that is still going to be the same floor system. Now, where is that section being taken? This needs to be adjusted back to here. Oh yeah, that's at my front lobby. Okay, I need to pull that down. Okay, fix that up, and then I've got my grid line. So it's a good thing I did check that section. Okay, and you probably want to go around and check all those points. Okay, section 1. And where's there it is. That's where that would have taken place over there. Looks good. Yeah. So that's my floor system fixed up. And I think we will start by adding in some beams. And we'll do that. Let's go to now remember on our second floor, we've got trusses framing this way and joists framing this way. So we really, other than a note saying framing, we don't really have to model anything up from here. But what we do want to do is we want to go down to the main floor. And on the main floor, this is load bearing. Okay, and this is load bearing. So then what we need is we need a beam going across here and a beam going across there. Okay, to pick up that, because this is going to frame this way. And if we do want this to be load bearing, we probably want to change the wall type. Okay, either that or we can add in beams and posts inside of here. Okay, maybe we'll do that instead. That sounds a little bit more exciting. I can see that on your face. So let's do that. Let's go with a beam in, let's say a flush beam inside of here. Okay, 14 inches, and another flush beam here. Okay, and then we'll go down to our top of footing, and then we'll have a drop beam in here and a drop beam in here.